From LiDAR detection to drone building, we take a look at some of the most incredible drones of this year. The Toroidal Prop has been around for some time, with the Shero MX being the prominent design for marine applications. Even though it's quite expensive, it is proclaimed to have less vibration, better efficiency, and reduction in noise. MIT carried this idea over to drone propulsion with a looped back configuration. Once again, there was an immediate noise reduction noticed in the 1 to 5 kHz range. And this was a result of the vortex being more focused. There is speculation that it could produce more thrust at a given power level, but obviously this design would have to be refined and tested further. Make sure to stay tuned as I will cover all the different types of drone propulsion systems in a future video. A dramatic military variant with the ability to search and destroy is titled Lanius. It is a highly autonomous platform with collision avoidance, mapping, and classification. It can map indoors using simultaneous localization and mapping techniques. The Lanius is capable of carrying 150 grams with a very short flight time of around 7 minutes. Up to 3 drones can be carried via a mothership multi-rotor with a swarm integration management software for coordinating movements. Thankfully, the flying weapons will alert to the human operator before engaging the threat, but who will actually control this contraption is another question. The Aora was speculated to be a top secret aircraft, so it's kind of neat to see DARPA work on a drastic active airflow system with the same iconic name. The prototype has no moving parts, and instead has banks of air nozzles connected to a pressurized system. This allows it to blast air and essentially modify the air pressure along with the flow around the craft, so it can create virtual surfaces out of compressed air. As of right now, a 7,000-pound UAV is being built to fly around Mach 0.7. And I'm pretty sure that DARPA is taking note of NASA's morphable wing as well. This is considered to be a mechanical metamaterial, and it reconfigures during each phase of flight. So the future aircraft could very well utilize air nozzles and a morphing composite wing. And it would be really interesting to see if there's performance gains with this type of craft. The next level consumer inspection drones are pretty advanced. The Elios 3 is no exception with its onboard SLAM engine LiDAR and multiple VO cameras. This means that it has full localization awareness without GPS. A 3D live map is transmitted back to the user in real time, with impressive accuracy. I can see this drone being really good for inspection, but there are limitations when it comes to subterranean wireless connections. All this hardware means that the battery life is shortened as well, with only a 12-minute flight time. So this resorts back to the universal problem of battery energy density. A really intriguing idea could very well be a glimpse of the future. This current idea utilizes drone builders to stack modular magnetic units. There are sensors and RF devices installed in each unit. Multiple UAV builders communicate via a hierarchy system with a central command processor overlooking the entire project. A smartphone app allows the user to configure the layout, or it can actually transform autonomously on its own, such as adapting to sunlight exposure. Obvious drawback is the limited flight time, so it could make more sense to have a modular unit which can move on its own. The NX30 is a pretty impressive craft, and the most notable feature of this coaxial rotor is the flying time, over 60 minutes, for a total coverage of 1,800 square miles at over 65 miles per hour. It can also carry over 15 pounds, which is almost double the craft's empty weight. Definitely need some confirmation on these top numbers, but ultimately the NX30 could carry IR sensors, high-end cameras, or even tethered loads. The UAV is built upon its predecessor, the Spirit, so it will likely have the same features and actually be a pretty versatile unit. Sometimes the simplest things are the best things, and a quad rotor titled the QUaRTM can transform with an unactuated rotor tilting mechanism. So no motors or drives, and how would you do this exactly? Well, the answer is that a spring is tied into the arm, and when the prop exerts enough force, it tilts forward for faster flight. When the prop slows down, the spring retracts, allowing for a smooth landing. Benefits of this simple yet ingenious design equates to a 13% increase in speed along with a considerable 20% increase in energy efficiency, so longer flight times. Just like the Dragon, future drones could very well be flying transformers. But more importantly, I would like to know what you think about all this. So please leave a comment, like the video if you enjoyed it, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel.